Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly remove this evaporator covers. So the refrigerator is making a lot of noise, so I'm suspecting the fan here has got built up a lot of ice behind it. So I can see here right away, I can see some ice built up really bad. So it is the problem for that. It's one of the problems that the Samsung refrigerator has. But anyway, I'm just going to show you mainly how to remove this part, to remove this evaporator cover. Okay, so if you take all the shelf out, I'm assuming you're going to figure how to do it on your own. And the last part, if you pull this out, there are a screw here, screw here, screw here, and one more underneath here. So if you can just use a flathead screwdriver and gently push that, and that should come out. So there's another hidden screw, so we're going to take that out and defrost it. Before you're going to do it, you should have you know how to look up how to manually defrost your refrigerator. If not, if it doesn't do well, we're going to have to use a steam power to defrost this thing. Okay, so that's how you can remove this evaporator cover. Screw there, screw there, screw there, and screw there, and you should just go along the way and take it out. It should be fairly easy. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.